Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. One of the biggest questions I'm always asked is, what about the scar? How big will the scar be? What will it look like a year later? Well, here's a typical example of the scar. So first of all, if I go ahead and, I had a hard time finding it to begin with. But if I go ahead and do find it, this is what I want to show you. That is a typical fine line scar.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.